If you're looking for a super simple way to get blazing fast Wi-Fi in every corner of your home, then look no further. Meet the ASUS Lyra Trio Mesh Wi-Fi system.
Covering up to a whopping 5,400 square feet in single and multi-story homes. The wirelessly connected Lyra Trio hubs work together to bring you powerful Wi-Fi throughout your entire home, from the living room to the patio to the playroom.
The unique pyramid antenna design minimizes interference and transmits Wi-Fi signal vertically and horizontally for better reception and performance in multi-story homes.
You'll get industry-leading speeds up to 1,750 megabits per second, which is about 50% faster than the competition. Setting up the Lyra Trio is fast and easy with the ASUS Lyra mobile app. Just plug in your first hub, download the app, and it will guide you step by step.
Now that the network is set up, the ASUS Lyra Trio makes sure your privacy is always protected on all of your devices. With the ASUS Lyra Trio, you can always stay connected to the people and things that matter most to you with fast, simple, and secure Wi-Fi in every corner of your home.